Right then, here we are. Stewie's driving the car. We're going to the car park. We're going to go see It tonight, so it's going to be quite exciting. But the thing is, we're going in the best car park because it makes a funny noise when you take a ticket. So we're going in now. There's a car in front of us. So I'm doing like your daughter, Madison. She does her videos, doesn't she? Can you hear that? It's coming up.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, it's coming up now. So you hear it? I'll be quiet.
Bom, bom, bom.
That's Stuart. Here we go. Here we go. We're going up to it now, look. Come on, we want the ticket.
Thank you.
What the fuck?